Okay, we've got 3 pieces of bent sheet metal like this. It's laser cut and then just formed in a brake. We've got 2 pieces like this, triangular flanges on them. This one I've pre-installed some spacers. They're 1.5 inches long, and that's where the pulley is going to mount. Alternately, you could stick them together, I suppose, and put 2 turbines on top of each other, but I'm not going to do that. So the pulley will mount on here in 3 holes here, and the center hole is just a place for the bearing. It's a flanged 1/2 inch bearing. It just slides in like that. Going to have a number 10 bolt go through here. Then a nut, a nylock nut, goes on the end. Okay, I lightly tightened these, or I left them a little bit loose so this panel could slide a little bit. Then same thing up here. Just almost tighten these up. And then I'm clamping these flanges together just to stabilize them. And then the next step is to drill these holes out to the other side, and then I can stick a pop rivet in there, and that will help hold these things like this flange to this panel. The ends are in place. I've got rivets in there. I've got this plate with the standoffs. This is going to be my bottom because I'm going to put the pulley on the bottom. Could put it on the top, I suppose. And then I've got a 5-foot length of 1/2 inch threaded rod. And before I put the bearings in, I think it'd be easier if I just ran this through. And oops, got a little bit too high there. Let's give that a shot. Okay, looks like I got through. So just slide a bearing on there and slide a bearing on there. Okay, the next step is took a nut and a jam nut, tightened it up about a little over a foot from the end here, and just pull that until the nut is on the bottom of that bearing, and then I'll stick a nut on this side. And I'm not going to put a lot of tension on it, but I'm just going to put it there so that this thing doesn't walk out. Here's the, this nut is kind of loose here. I suppose it would be good to have a jam nut on there, but I don't think that'll be a problem. This is going to be the top of the turbine, and somehow I should protect this bearing from the rain. Maybe in the near future I'll put a disc here between a couple washers, something that would shield rain, or shield the bearing from rain. But for now, look at the next step here. You can take this pulley. It's had 3 holes put in it. It's got a 1-inch bore in it, so that'll be contacting the central shaft. But then that gets attached to the standoffs. And here's the pulley attached to the bottom of the turbine. It's attached to the turbine itself, and it does not contact the shaft. The shaft is going to be stationary.